Okay, in this video, we're going to explore how to set up and modify your A/B split testing. So if you see this icon over here, that means the split test is running. And if it's white, that means you haven't enabled it yet. And if you want to enable it, it's very easy. Just come inside here and hit yes and hit save. And then you can decide how many splits you want to do. You can do up to 5. And so depending on the number of splits you sent, it allocates a percentage of the time that that email is going to be sent out. And you're able to customize the subject, and you can choose these 5 variables: the full name, first name, order ID, item title, and then a shortened item title. And you can customize the content of the email. And you do that by setting up a variety of templates, and then you come in here and decide which template you want to use. So you could do, for instance, initial thank you V1, initial thank you V2, initial thank you V3, etc. And so let's go look at one that we've already set up so we can look at some of the metrics. So if you go into here, so if you scroll down, you'll see we've got all of your split metrics, including open rate. So it'll show you the open rate individually for each variant and how many emails were sent. So this is a test account, but you would see an equal number of emails sent out per campaign. And very quickly, you can use this data to decide which emails customers are responding to and engaging with the most. And so it's a great way to do some testing and see what the market tells you. And so that's how you set up and modify your split A/B tests for emails.